Let me get B1.
B1?
Yeah, B1, yeah. No, that's C. That's B. That's B2. Can you reach B1? That's B3. Yeah, that's 3. 3's closest. 1's furthest. There you go. That's B1. Okay. Alright.
I thought he fell out.
That's okay. Okay. Let me get a B1.
B1.
Pull it out. Look at me. You got it, Seth. Okay.
No.
I guess we figured. There you go.
All right.
Hey, that's not what he wanted.
That's the right one. You dropped it though.
You dropped it. It's in there.
Bag.
The red bag is there. Look, we're working out the glitches, you know what I mean?
There we
There you go.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, man.
Oh, look at see what? See three?
Run away, Emmy. C.
Oh, look, twins.
C3. Okay, got that C3.
Shut that away. It's gonna get free. Thank you. Which one you want, Ellie?
No, I don't want
You want A2. Say thank you.
Thank you.
I'll take no, that's
Thank you. Happy Halloween.
Thank you.